Alright, update on the sling bag. I got this 10,000 milliamp backup battery off Amazon for like 11 bucks. But I like the form factor and the capacity, but the only output is USB, the old style, the B. The inputs are these, so I need to get new cords or find a new one, but I guess I'll just invest in some new cords. But sadly, those are like probably more expensive than this for quality cords. So I got USB-C USB-C and USB-C lightning cables in here. Cat cable. I am also a gear nerd, and I got a new flashlight. This one is old. Not a lot of lumens and candela. I actually ordered a Army Tech. I got a recommendation, so I want to try that. So this is gonna get replaced for my backpack. Also have my toothbrush because dental health. My shears, my cat tourniquet still, backup magazine as usual if I'm carrying in there, and then the new addition to it is this Snakestaff EDC IFAK I got. They made it in conjunction with North American Rescue, but it's got packing gauze, it's got a twin seal pack, or chest seal, and then gloves. So I think this is a nice small way to kind of carry compact stuff for any kind of bleeding emergencies. But I do want to get like Israeli bandage in here. And I got this just in case. I don't know if I need it, but I just kind of stuffed it in and forgot I got about it. But so far the pack's still doing awesome. I like carrying it, and that's it.